Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this beautiful beauty retouching effect in Photoshop in just a few simple steps. Select the pen tool. In the options bar, set the tool mode to shape and make sure both the fill and stroke are set to disable. Now, carefully draw shapes over the areas of the face that you want to retouch. Create as many shapes as needed to cover the skin evenly. Once you're finished, hold the Shift key, select all the shape layers, then right-click and choose Merge Shapes. Next, hold Ctrl and click the Merge Shape thumbnail to load it as a selection. After that, hide the shape layer. Solid color, choose any color you like, and click OK. I'll use a soft neon tone for this example. Select the layer mask, open the Properties panel. This will soften the edges and help the effect blend naturally into the skin. Lower the layer opacity to around 79 or around 80%, then change the blend mode to multiply. For an even more realistic result, double-click the layer to open blending options. Under Blend If, locate the underlying layer slider. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider, then drag it until the value is around 172. This allows the skin texture to show through while keeping the retouch smooth and natural. If the effect looks too strong, simply reduce the layer opacity until you're happy with the final result. And that's it. Here's the before, and here's the after. As you can see, the skin looks much smoother while still maintaining a natural appearance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.